Here's my master plan.
The drywaller just told me that paint's gonna cover that, so we're good.
What I was able to do before I left is walk all over the ceiling.
Drywallers, drywalls come back.
The drywallers.
Take two.
Good morning, guys. All right, it is the morning after drywall. What I was able to do before I left is walk all over the ceiling. I cut all the holes for the pot lights, and there's 11 in total, 8 along this stretch. There's 2 inside here, 1 and 2, then 1 in that closet. So my plan today is to hopefully not walk around so much when I talk. Yeah, I'm editing and I'm watching myself just walking around. Okay, so what the plan is I want to get all the lights, at least get the boxes hooked up and have that done, because that takes a little bit of time. I can get these receptacles in anywhere that there's not any mudding. My plan's to get that kind of buttoned up just to save time. I'm also going to get all these scraps out. I'm probably just going to put them up through the window, go upstairs, walk them around, and then by the end of today I might actually try to get this door into. I'll probably have time, so it's pretty much a cleanup day. Get rid of the scraps. The drywaller is going to come back, start mudding, and if I have time I'll help them. But yeah, it's more about getting cleaned up after the drywall, getting the lights installed, maybe the door, the double door I'm going to just wait on, maybe till tomorrow. But yeah, now it's just kind of a waiting game, so letting the drywall do his thing. I got to pick up another door too. I cut the opening for it, but I'll show you what the other one. I thought I had 2, but I only have 1. It's gonna look like this. It's just so you can access the cleanouts and stuff. And like I said before, there was a clean out up here, or clean out. There was a turn off, a shut off for the water. I didn't want to put a door up there, so I ended up putting this. I put an extra shut off here in their basement, which is going to be for a mechanical room. Like this whole thing is a mechanical room whenever they decide to finish it, so it'll be in there and accessible, so if they need it, they have it. Yeah, other than that, I'm just going to start getting the drywall out, and I'm going to get my dump trailer when it's all out. Here's my master plan. That was my light layout. So yeah, we'll get this going. That's about it. All right, we'll catch you guys in a bit. Get it. guys, that's all the scrap. I have 4 pieces of drywall left over. It's funny because I ordered 4 more because 4 extra pieces for this outside area that we didn't account for when we were doing the measuring. But I'm just gonna put them here next to here because the customer wants them for later or for whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna put them there. Everything's cleaned up. I'm gonna take this, well, that's the last piece, rifle that out. When the drywall mutter gets here, just gonna talk to him quick, do his thing, and I'll start doing like receptacles and things like that. I'd rather do them now while I have the time and tape them off before paint. Saves a little bit of time. And also I'll put in all these pot lights. So it should be a good day. If I got time, I'll put in that man door over there. And yeah, that should be it for today. Tomorrow I'll probably put in that double door. We'll see how it goes. I gotta build this frame from scratch. I have the material, I just gotta build it. Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so I'm at the taper this morning. I had to go run out, grab my trailer and everything to get the garbage out of here. And had to run to depot, needed a couple more lights. And 1 more of those cover boxes here. These cover plates for the clean out over here. So I'm back. They're going at it. They're doing all the flats first, and then once the flats are done, they will start on the corners and so on. It's gonna look good. It's amazing what drywall does to a place. I'm gonna be working on, I'm gonna just get these lights plugged in. Had that already. And then I'll also put the receptacles in. I just want to get as much done as possible. I'll just end up taping over the receptacles. And then when it's time to paint, they'll be covered. And the lights, I can just take out the lights. They're like these little twist on things I'll show you. I'll do one at the beginning just to show you. It's pretty easy install. And yeah, from there, that's about it. Just the finish electrical takes a little while. Cutting wires, making sure everything's good. So yeah, I'm gonna do this closet one here. I'll show you guys that. And then we'll just rinse, repeat for everything else. All right, see you in a second. Okay, we got these 4-inch wafer style lights, flush mount, little slim guys. Here's the box. You wire up the box and then you just you put it up into the ceiling, and then it just it's a twist and lock system with these. These actually have the push in. I don't really like these, but it comes with it. I'm going to test them out. Yeah, so the first thing, you gotta punch out one of these holes here. So I got that out. These boxes are very thin too. You gotta get one of your cable inserts, put it into the side. Let's see if I can get you up here. Just gonna feed these into it. make sure you have about a 1/4 inch of sheathing inside the box there, like that. These are a little bit long, but they'll all fit in here anyway. So you got a ground of white and black. This one's easy. If you had 2 of them, it's the same kind of thing. So, and there's no power connected yet at the panel, so I'm not too worried about it. You can see right through that little glass too. It's all the way in. I bottomed it out. Same thing here. Not a big fan of these pushing things. I just don't think, I like to have more contact with like a Moret or something, but we'll see how they do. They are low voltage, so. Okay, so once you have all those 3, just tuck them back into your box. All nice like. Like that, and you can close the door, and that's ready to go. And you can just put it up into your opening. And you have your light here. Turns into a plug and play. Right there. Just plug it in. Tighten that little thing down. There you go. Just put it up. Open up your little wings. And push it in. There you go. That's one done. So I'm just going to do that over and over again 10 more times. And I'll bring you back, I guess, for the receptacles. I'm also going to put the switches on too, so I can bring you back for that. All right, cool guys. See you in a bit. Get it. Hey guys, drywallers came back. They're just continuing with the mud. I have all the pot lights installed, and it's just about time to do the first check. So who wants to be the one who hits the switch? You guy? You want to do it?
Where do you hit it?
Where do you hit it? What switch?
Yeah.
What am I talking about?
I don't know. You're looking at the camera.
Oh, I was talking about the lights.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Okay.
You gonna burn the house down?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's the wrong one.
It's the wrong one. Wait. We have to do a big thing, okay? Hold on.
I gotta shut the lights right off.
Okay, here we go. 3,
Is it this one?
2, 1, go! Wow, look at that. This one's set wrong, but I just gotta change the setting. Woohoo, yay! All right, so there's a couple that I gotta check the setting. That's perfect. This one will work once the receptacles are in. And yeah, just wanted to bring it back, show you it. The drywaller just told me that paint's gonna cover that, so we're good. Yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna do the receptacles next.